Python create Unix timestamp 5 minutes in the future. I have to create an expires value 5 minutes in the future, but I have to supply it in Unix timestamp format. I have this so far, but it seems like a hack. Is there a module or function that does the timestamp conversion for me?
Just found this, and it's even shorter.
Another way is to use calendar.timem. It's also more portable than %s flag to strof time, which doesn't work on Windows.
Now in Python is greater than or equal to 3.3, you can just call the timestamp method to get the timestamp as a float.
This is what you need.